Okay, sorry, back at you. We're doing wheels on this Lawn-Boy model 10739. Neighbor a couple streets over saw me out here and wanted to know if I worked on stuff. Told him not really, but he said he had a Briggs & Stratton plastic recoil like this, that the dog chewed the cord, and I said I can restring it for you, so he's going to bring it back to me. I told him I'd do it for him. So we did the front wheel already, put that on. Now we're going to do the rear wheel. We have some grease, the backing plate, and I was in the middle of tapping the axle out of the rear wheel. I got to keep tapping. There's a lot of rust build up here, and I got to tap it down. That's where I was when he showed up. Wow. Oh, I see what's going on. So this isn't gonna, the whole bushing's coming out, which I don't want. So let me try to do this live television. Putting a little used oil on here to help lubricate it. Okay, if it works out, I'll try to put it back, but this is where we are. So it's so rusty, the whole bushing came out. So I got some channel locks here. I'm going to try to pull or break the tension here and get these bushings off. Nothing better than live television. 13. Okay, so that's stiff. This one's moving. The inner one's moving, so I might have to soak this in my 50/50 acetone ATF. So this was failure. Yeah, I got to soak it. I don't want to break this thing. So we're dead in the water for the time being. Let me give you part numbers. We're not going to make this a 3-day event. So he went home to get the recoil, so he should be back in 10 minutes. I'm going to squeak you guys out. Okay. So the front wheel, it's got the plastic all the way around the outside. 137-9189. You can go to Fleabay or Amazon or Big Jungle, which is Amazon, or Google it. You could probably buy it at some of the shops. And then 137-9187 is the rear, and that's got the metal teeth in the middle. 137-9187 for rear wheel. And again, the model number of this Lawn-Boy 10739. It's a 2016 Kohler 6.5. Okay, I'm going to keep going on this. Sorry, it was a clucked up mess sometimes. cluckiness happens. Continue to have a nice day. Please tip your waitress and wait staff. They're doing awesome work. Adios, amigos.